Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you can spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat KFC Coleslaw. We're going to start by finely chopping one head of cabbage. And then we're going to finely dice one medium carrot. To a mixing bowl, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of buttermilk and 1/4 cup of whole milk. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. One-third cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of minced onion, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 2½ tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1½ tablespoons of white vinegar. We're going to mix this together until it's all nice and smooth. And now we're going to mix in our cabbage and our carrots. Now we're going to cover it, refrigerate for at least 2 hours. And after 2 hours, we stir it together, and then we serve. Now it's time to eat. Bon appetit. It's pretty good coleslaw. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.